In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about MetaTrader 5. Want to start using MetaTrader 5 but don't know where to begin? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and set up this powerful trading platform on your computer so you can start analyzing the markets. First, let's talk about how to search for and add this software to your system. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official MetaTrader 5 website. There is one golden rule here. Always use the official MetaTrader website or the specific download link provided by your trusted broker. Avoid random third-party download websites to ensure your computer stays secure. Find the download option for your operating system. For this demonstration, we're adding it to Windows. Simply click the download button and your browser will grab the setup file. Before we open it, let's clarify what this software actually is. MetaTrader 5, commonly called MT5, is a comprehensive trading platform used globally for trading Forex, stocks, CFDs, and futures. It acts as the central bridge between you and your broker, allowing you to view real-time market data, apply technical indicators, and even run automated algorithmic trading scripts known as expert advisors. Now, let's walk through how the installation works step by step. Once your download finishes, open the installer file. Windows may prompt you asking whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Just check that the publisher looks legitimate and click to continue. You'll then see the MetaTrader 5 setup window. When you click Next, the installer works in the background, automatically connecting to the official servers, downloading the required updated files, and installing the platform. This streamlined process normally takes only a few moments. Once the installation is complete, MetaTrader 5 will launch automatically, bringing you to the main terminal interface. On the left side, you'll usually see the Market Watch window. This is crucial, as it displays all the available trading instruments provided by your connected broker. Directly below that is the Navigator panel, where you access your trading accounts, custom indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. In the center, you have your main chart area for technical analysis. However, just installing MT5 doesn't automatically connect you to a live trading feed. You need to link it to a broker account. To do this, navigate to the top menu, click File, and select Login to Trade Account. If you don't have a live account yet, you can easily use a demo account to practice learning the interface without risking real money. Finally, let's cover configuring your account settings. In the login window, enter the specific credentials provided by your broker. You will need your account number, your password, and importantly, the exact broker server. Make sure you select the correct server from the drop-down menu, as a demo account and a live account usually operate on completely different servers. Connect the account and verify your connection status at the bottom right of the platform. Give it a final test by opening a chart and changing the time frame to confirm that live price data is updating. And remember, available instruments and conditions depend on your broker. That's the complete MetaTrader 5 installation process. What broker or custom indicators are you planning to use with MT5? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.